Yeah, in terms of, someone asked about the challenges. In terms of challenges, we are integrated with the community. You can see on my left-hand side, we have a community that is right next to the bridge. So we also, apart from just building up a bridge, we have to be good neighbors. So we understand we are building next to to the existing community, and the integration between the two is always of a challenge. We have been diligently working on it, and we are continue work on it. But that's like if you have to think a person building a road next to your house, how happy would you have to be for them to finish up building that road with a minimum impact to your house? The key important part that really has helped us go through is communications, and our line of communications has been very open. We have the whole department that is working and making sure everybody is happy. Because apart from just making changes and make a significant impact and make the life of North Macedonian community, our community better, is to be good neighbors and to have positive engagement with communities, which we are doing. And if at some point we feel like we are lacking short, we encourage people to come out and and suggest better ways, because we are one community, and also essentially we are a construction company, but we operate as one community, one people, and we're here to make the community better. That's all we're here to do.